Represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equation. So we are having the four parts in the equation. We are going to start with the first one. The first one we are having the area of the rectangle plot is 528 meter square. So area of the rectangular plot we are having. So I'm going to write here area of plot we are having as equal to the 528 meter square. Now the length of the plot in the meter is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. So first of all we are going to let breadth of the plot as equal to the x meter. Then the length is the one more than twice. So right here then length of the plot, first of all one more, that is the plus 1, then twice of its breadth. So the twice of breadth we are having is the 2x. So 2x plus 1 meter. So this one we are having is the length and the breadth we are having is the x meter. Now we have to find the area. So area of rectangle will have as equal to the L into B, that is the length into breadth, and the area we are having is the 528 meter square, and the length we have x multiplied 2x plus 1 meter multiplied by meter. So meter is cancelled from meter square. Now we are having here 528, and this one is the x multiplied by 2x is the 2x square plus x we are having here. Now we are going to solve it further. Now this one we are having is a quadratic equation. We have to transpose this 528 from left hand side to the right hand side. So this is the 2x square minus x minus 528 is equal to the 0. So this one we are having is a quadratic equation. Now comes to the next one, the second one. Here we are having the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integer. So first of all we need the two consecutive integers. So I'm going to write here, first of all let the consecutive integers as first one is the x and the second one will be the x plus 1. So they both are the consecutive integers we are having. Now the equation will be the x multiplied by x plus 1 because we have to find the product, and this one we are having as equal to the 306. So now x square plus x is equal to the 306 we are having. Now we are going to transpose this 306 from right hand side to the left hand side. So this one we are having is the x square plus x minus 306. So this one we are having is the required quadratic equation. So this one is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. This one we are having Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in the years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. So first of all we are going to let Rohan's age, that is the present one. So let Rohan's present age as equal to the x. Then Rohan's mother will be plus 20x. So we will write here Rohan's mother age, because his mother is 26 years older than him. So this will be x plus 26 years. Now after the 3 years from now. So we will write here after 3 years Rohan's age will be x plus 3 years. Then his mother's age will be 3 times of the present age. So the present age of Rohan's mother we are having is the x plus 3x. This is the, we have to add 3, not the 3 times, we have to add 3 years in the present age we are having of the Rohan's mother is the x plus 26. Now this one we are having is the present age of the Rohan as equal to the x. So after 3 years it will be x plus 3 years. And Rohan's mother age at the present, this one we are having x plus 26 years, and after 3 years it will be x plus 26 plus 3 years we are having. Now we need to find the product of this one, and this one we are having as equal to the 360. So after 3 years Rohan's age will be x plus 3 and her mother's age we are having is the x plus 26 plus 3, that is the 29 we are having. And this one we are having as equal to the 360. Now we have to solve this one. So this one we are having is the x multiplied by x plus 29, and here 3 multiplied by x plus 29. Now this is the x square plus 29x plus 3x plus, we have to multiply 29 by 3, and this one will be equal to the 87. And this is equal to the 360 we are having. Now we are going to transpose this 360 from right hand side to the left hand side. So this is the minus 360. We have transposed 360 from right to the left hand side. Now to solve this one, this is the x square plus 29x plus 3x we are having. Now we are going to add this one. This one will be equal to the 32x. Now plus minus minus, so we will have the answer in the negative because 360 is greater. Now 87 minus 360 we are having as equal to the 273, and this one we are having as equal to the 0. So this one we are having is the required quadratic equation for the part 3. Now comes to the last one. Now comes to the part 4. This one we are having a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would be taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So first of all, distance we are having as equal to the 480 kilometer. Now we know that time we are having as equal to the distance divided by speed. So first of all, we are going to let the speed as equal to the x kilometer per hour. Now if the speed decreased, so right here then the decreased speed will be equal to the x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Now first of all, we are going to find the time when we are having the speed as equal to the x. So the time will be distance, that is the 480 kilometer divided by the speed we are having is the x kilometer per hour. Now we have to find the time when the speed is decreased. So the distance we are having is the 480 and the speed we are having is the x minus 8. Now difference between both the time we are having as equal to the 3 hours. So we have to solve this one. When the speed decrease, it will take now when the speed decreased, it would take much time to travel. So we will write this one here, 480 x minus 8 minus 480 by x, and this one we are having as equal to the 3 here. Now first of all, we are going to equal the denominators. For that one we are going to cross multiply. So this is the 480x minus 480 multiplied by x minus 8, and in the denominator we are having x minus 8 multiplied by x is equal to the 3 we are having. Now this is the 480x minus 480 multiplied by x is 480x, now minus and minus plus, this one we are having 3840, and in the denominator we are having x square minus 8x as equal to the 3. Now we will solve it further. Now we are going to transpose this denominator from left hand side to the right hand side. So this one will have as equal to the 480x minus 480x plus 3840 is equal to the 3 multiplied by x square minus 8x we are having. Now this one is plus minus cancelled. Where we are having 3840 and this one we are having as equal to 3x square minus 8 3s are 24x. Now we will transpose this 3840 from left hand side to the right hand side. So this is the 3x square minus 24x and minus 3840, and this one we are having as equal to the 0. Now we are going to take the common from them. So I am taking the common as equal to the 3 here. So this is the x square minus, we are taking 3 as the common. We will have 3 8s are 24. So this one will be the 8x, and here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We have 2 as the remainder, 3 8s are 24 and 0. This one we are having as equal to the 0. Now this is multiplying, it will divide here, this will become 0. So this is the x square minus 8x minus 1280 as equal to the 0. So this one we are having is the required quadratic equation. So this one we are having is the part 4. With this one we have completed the question number 2 and the exercise 4.1. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 4.2.